From Kamal, giving away the fact that he is also serving on the inside in lane 1. Hashim, 25-year-old from Iraq, and a PB of 1:46.22, which is very respectable. So the last of the 800-metre heats. Underway. 2 athletes in lane 3. We've had 9 athletes in each heat. It hasn't proved problematic at any stage. And good break from Hashim on the inside. Expecting to see him go under 1:48, and he does so. Surely he's going to finish in the first 2. He's looking very composed at the moment. He is in control. 694 coming up to challenge that authority is Abdallah of Qatar. 4 years he's been on the national team now. Also run close to the 1:46 mark this season. Moving down to take as they do so. The top figure of Kamal makes his move. The Nepalese runner, was that a bold move? Does he believe he can make the top 2? He's got a beautiful stride at the moment, looking very, very comfortable. And it's 694. Abdallah of Qatar, who is just starting to stamp his authority on this one. He's making everyone else race. The facial expression of Kamal in second place has changed since the pace has picked up, and Hashim still sitting in third place. He was the man who went to the lead in the early stages. Round the final bend now, and it's still 694. Abdallah, who's opening up those legs. He's opened up a gap of some 4-5 metres, and that's a very good move indeed. 418 Hashim, who we picked out early on, just being denied in the closing stages as Majid comes through.